Today's episode is 72 reacts to Pinki's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi there. I'm 72. I'm going to react to Pinki's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore. Well, Pinki's snore sounded like a soundtrack used in a hip-hop rap song, which is a huge banger. But now Choni's here to mess it up with a stupid number block's snoring effect for a huge betrayal. But anyways, let's detonate it. Oh my lord. How dare you replace Pinki's cool snore soundtrack with number block 52's trashy snore. That's it. I'm going to explode you with a nuclear fuse. Thank gosh the screen is black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 233.